Riding our park, Nitro, West Virginia. This is the Blue Trail, the Autumn Blue Trail. Oh, we're going into the sun. Smells wonderful out here. You know, like leaves, cool air. Pardon any glare we get from the sun. Beautiful. Here's some critters out there. Don't know what they're doing. Oh, it's a squirrel. Come on, guy. Oh, it's crossing the creek down there. Probably can't see him. Blue Diamond Trail. Lightning strike. It's been burned. Ooh, spider. Those of you that played in dried leaves as children know the leaf smell I'm talking about. And those of you that didn't, I regret you didn't have that experience. I bet this is quite something else in the rain. Oh look, a little arc. Oh, there's a big one down. Fell right on the stump of one that had already fallen. Oddness. Uh-oh, gotta put her in low gear here. Oh, it's not that bad. Big autograph there. Well, that soldier lost his battle, apparently. And so did this one. Can we see these growth rings enough to count? Yeah, we can. And just here in an inch, we're looking at 6. So that's at least 60 to 80 years old. This mama right here. Jeez, it was huge. What a monster. Knocked down another tree on its way down. Crunch. Wow. That's over 6 foot tall, just for perspective, folks. See, it landed on that tree and knocked it over. Talk about your domino effect. Another man down. Uh-oh. It's like a road sign. It's saying squiggly turns. Oh, looks like there's a trail going up here. Someone's just started. Do we go up this way? Or do we go that way? Okay, as we can see, blue trail, more difficult. More difficult part. Hope it isn't very long. I'm running out of battery. But this one you might want to watch the video on and not really go, but I don't know. If you're out in the woods, you can probably handle this. Oh, here's a tricky switchback. Easily end up on your butt if you weren't careful. So I'm going to be careful. See, that one's a little bit more snaggly. Anyway. Okay, here's my tree hug for the day. Thank you for all you do for us, Mr. Tree. My buddy and I. Oh, check this little jewel out. That's pretty neat. It's huge. Ooh, it's wet and slimy. Yeah, big fungus growth on this awesome tree. Oh, looky here. Hi, friend. Hi, Mr. Turtle. Give us a big smile. Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a big turtle. He's not even scared of me. Hi, buddy. Glad I saw you. I could have stepped on you. You better get your stuff done, huh? Better do what you're gonna. Well, I do see you, and I will not bother you. Someone's chainsawing up in the hills. Common sound for this time of year. People laying in firewood. Either that or it's a crazed killer ramping up for Halloween tonight. I don't know. Probably someone getting firewood. But you never know up here in the hills. You really just don't know. Guess you don't know anywhere till it's too late. Oh, look, some big rock area. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like the big rocks. Gnarly creek bed going up through there. Well, I guess it's technically a runoff. Only active when it's raining. Geez, these big brothers have been here for a while. No graffiti though, that's unusual. This looks like it's getting ready to slide off, this one piece. Down there's the beautiful creek. Yes, it is. Keep the camera on this creek somewhat, but I don't want to miss the trail either. So I'll just go back and forth. This would have been a good workout for some marathon cross-country runner, I would think. All right, so this is the end of the blue trail. Comes out at the end of the main trail, and so I guess that's it. That's it on this one. Just try to make it a short video because it wasn't a short hike. And I have a few more paths still to plot here. And I certainly will. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave us a comment. And I'll see you next time.